So today I'll show you how to force restart an unresponsive or a frozen Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So if your tablet is frozen and there's nothing you can do and the touchscreen is not working, for instance, you can force restart by long pressing the volume down and power buttons. Okay, so just press and hold those two buttons, and you need to press and hold them simultaneously. So I'm just going to do this with you. So 1, 2, go, press and hold. Just keep holding, ignore whatever you see on the screen because I'm assuming the touch screen is not working as well. So just press and hold and just keep holding. Screen goes dark. Count to about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then now you can let go. And you'll see the Samsung logo as the tablet restarts. So that is basically how to force restart a frozen Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Thanks for watching and good luck.